water looks more expensive than my shampoo. Why do I look like a popcorn? Because the waterfall turned you into a snack.
Excuse me, coming through. Magic Express.
Even the butterflies have attitude today. Why am I extra? I didn't eat anything yet.
Waterfall made you deluxe edition. Mr. Cat, I think I'm flying. Help? Don't worry, I'll catch you. Maybe.
This waterfall is crazy, but I love it. Let's come back tomorrow.